quite a mess in there, isn't it? This is a 1999 BMW M3 e36 OBD2. And I got codes P1188 and P1189 and P0170. Okay, so it basically is a vacuum leak. I found the vacuum leak, and the vacuum leak was on my CCV crankcase ventilation oil separator, and it's down on the hose that comes off the bottom and goes to the dipstick. Now, I'm going to show you where this is. Let me back out a little bit. Okay, so it's right down here. Here is the CCV, crankcase ventilation. Now, I've already unscrewed it, so I'm going to just wiggle it loose and take it out so you can see it. And then I'm going to show you what I did to solve this problem and make it not happen again so easily. And what you want to do is when you replace your hose, don't get stock hose. Do not put the same cheap, thin, straight hose on it for it to break again in a couple years. Buy yourself some hose like this with the angle already in it. It takes the stress off of the hose. And actually, here, the one I got is about 3/8. It's 10 millimeter inside diameter. And here's the part number. I got it from O'Reilly. 18031. Okay, you get this little guy, you cut it to length, you put this little bend in it like that, takes the stress off. Alright, and that's it. This is just a quick little video. I wanted to go ahead and show people how to solve this problem and how to avoid having it come back again. That's it. Short and sweet.